Do you want to see how Pocket Option Auto Trader work on a small time frame? Let's check out. And if you want this binary option robot yourself, you find a link below the video, so you also can get started completely for free today. So with that, let's start it up.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom! Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure.
So this time we did try MACD plus RSI. I did choose them take the same direction as you get high levels. And we reached a 57% win rate. We got a little bad start here, but we ended very good. So with that, we made $338. If you like to have this binary option robot yourself, you find link below the video, so you also can get started today. So with that, have an amazing day.